You want to have all the riz in the world. Fix some money. Look at your face done. I'm talking on him. I dressed up as a hero. I'll go get. Aha, sucker. Wanna come out? Oh, Satan! There's a Reno Ryle!
I like a fish.
I love you. This is Reno I love you. Monkey!
Mama.
Jamie!
The code is I'll tell you a dollar for my money. I'll tell you the code is $1 for money. I'll tell you $1 for my money.
Stop this way, okay? Oh my gosh. Let me suck it, you
someday you need a ball.
Who wants to go to the pool? Me. Hey, don't see. You suck. You don't have no face. Prostitute on.
Come on, Korean looking at boy. I'm really gonna go pop head looking at boy. Stop playing with me. Run, chat. Run, y'all. Run. Your name is just Steve. Run. Yeah, you big stupid ass. You thought I was hello. I told you you stupid. I want my son.
Hey, you want a popsicle? Hey, I want that.
I'll get a soda.
No, that monster. You don't want a popsicle.
Popsicle for soda. Can I have popsicle? Can I have a popsicle? I want popsicle. Can I have a popsicle?
Take the L. I'll give you a popsicle.
I got killed by a skull.
If I RP, look at it. You shut that door. He doesn't. There's a sticking. Let's go, guys. That's how you get it.
It's Lionel.
I still have payback to do.
We gotta go! Go speed! Go to the pool! Home! Oh! Go, go, go! Wait.
That's too scared.
Yo, they're frozen. We're all good. We can run.
I'm too scared, bro.
In any second.
Hey, look, I'll do it.
They'll move in any second! I told you! They're moving!
Yeah, hey.
Now you're dead.
You're dead!
Hey, people! Zach, Rachel!
What the?
Whoever throws was that.
Nom 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 nom.
I think they have a little handshake. Oh, wait. Look at that.
I'm moving on.
Don't leave me here. Michael! Michael! Help me! Michael! Don't leave me here. Michael! Michael! Help me! Michael! Don't leave me here. Michael! Michael! Help me! Michael! Don't leave me here. Michael! Michael!
Come on, guys.
He's frozen. Let's go.
No! He will move in any second. What? Wait, no, never mind. Someone help me! I'm stuck in the elevator! Told you! It's not safe when they freeze!
What was that? Oh my god, You're slow.
I'm way faster.
That is not fair! Help me out! Help me!
Shall we go over there? Should we go find them?
No.
Come on, guys.
Are you? Who's with me?
Where's the dude that
What are you I can't even touch the floor.
Go to mirror. Go to
I can't
mirror.
even touch the floor.
Dude, go to mirror.
Oh my god.
Why did you get in there?
If I can't even navigate.
Oh, this me.
Doesn't matter if it's that. Go to mirror. Come to mirror.
Oh, I just swear to God.
Bro, he's literally
You just gotta wait until this.
Now let me show you how to really get long. Let me show you how to really get long.
Oh my.
Man, I just like, he was behind me and you're just like, oh.
I'm just gonna go.
Bro, what are you doing?
No, no.
No, look at this. Holy cow, I can see that.
The man who needs to say eyes. Oh, bro, I actually tried it. Now I gotta clip that man. IP address. Back in this.
Is it gone? I love it. What do this music mean?
How do you pull with this?
You got package to go around with me.
I'm not near fast enough to Little straight arms! Launch yourself.
I got a box. Let me in.
The detector. Close the boys. Close the detector.
Oh, he got that.
Guys, you want us to
We're not
close
do
the
this.
detector? Guys, who wants to learn
Guys, everybody in here, listen.
B, watch it. Watch.
I got a plan. We're gonna wait until all the entities go into another room that's not in there. So we're gonna go inside the elevator. Someone's gonna press the button, and we're gonna go down. And then we're gonna beat the game.
Don't you dare. I'm running with one.
I'm changing my color.
No wonder, bro. This is actually queso in game.
There's no way there's queso. Dude, I do. Oh, there's me.
Baboon.
Okay.
Hello, Fred.
Hey, you, blue.
Yes.
Green.
Yes. What?
I want you to distract that entity. See, and
You made it do anything? You need me to
and
do
make sure
anything?
to break his legs.
You need me to do anything?
No. Well, yeah. Probably you can help us because here's the plan. We both gonna think of a plan.
Guys, open the door.
So my
I'm in here.
plan is we
Open
run
the
to
door.
the elevator
Guys,
and go
press the
down
button.
floor.
I'm here.
What about your plan?
Close it.
It's upstairs.
What?
Hey, yo, is queso in this game? Is queso in this game? Come on, look.
Can I please get a
There's a rematch.
It's got bad degrees.
Whichever monster, can we have
Yes, I do.
That monster's down.
That monster's dead.
How do you know?
You're gay.
Babies.
Cause I said last month. Cause I said.
I want to be in between.
Yeah, duh,
I want to be the in between.
How?
Wow, just a cool.
He's super gay. Then super gay. Super gay.
Next monster. Next
Okay,
person
the
and
monster
monster to touch me. Next person.
Oh my god!
Next person that touches me is gay.
Okay. The distraction is possible.
You're gay. You're gay. You're gay. He's gay. He's